Who makes these aftermarket carbon fiber headlight replacement? Jones. The new headlight looks pretty good. I know you had some fitment issues.
Yeah.
But
yeah, I think it's the greatest one. I got some work.
Yeah.
You know, as per usual. Right now I'm just working on getting the interior back together and ripping out any old unnecessary crap. There's a lot of stuff that was just kind of thrown in here and junk. I get the pleasure of dealing with it.
Well, you get paid for it, so. He's cranky today, guys. Sorry. Sometimes he's cranky. Maybe we should feed him. Are you hungry? Yeah, I figured that's why you were so cranky. Sorry, I'm coming to get a better view. Oi, manager. Yeah.
Just shove all this crap in here and
Now we get the pleasure of organizing. Do you want a hand? I can help you with this. Oh wow, yeah. Do we have back seats or?
Nope. He dropped it off. Without him.
Does he? No, he doesn't have back seats.
Yes.
Okay. Do we have like a center? Oh, we do. Okay, there it is. There's the boot and everything. The dash is pretty good, actually. Did they install this Haltech display?
Yeah.
So we don't know if it works, right?
Well, the car's never been powered up electrical wise.
Well, that's what I'm saying. So we don't know if the electrical they ran was right.
No.
And just based on everything else.
I mean, it's fairly plug and play, but that doesn't mean shit.
I mean, yeah, this is, under here, this is quite a rat's nest. I don't have a light, but where has it? Oh, yeah, a lot to do here.
Yep.
I guess you're going to put that pillar here? That carbon fiber pillar?
No.
The gauge cluster thing? No?
No, that's a waste of time.
Waste of time, okay.
No, he has a dash.
He has the dash, right? Yeah.
Exactly.
So wait, when did he get that? Maybe he got that after or before, I mean.
Yeah, I'm not sure.
Yeah.
Because he had gauges too, and I told him, I was like, just take that shit out.
Yeah, you don't need it. That's what the dash does.
Waste of time.
Yeah. So this is what you're working on today.
Yep.
Is this the old battery cable here that's coming through? And we didn't figure out that hole in the firewall yet? Is it a firewall? What is it? It backs up right here, right? Yeah. Oh my God! Yeah, you can see it.
Yeah, it's a big ass hole.
Yeah, that is a hole, people. That light is a hole. That's crazy. Yeah. I mean, I feel like we could patch that or get a piece of metal, something made. But John, sorry.
Fabricated up. This shit can. I don't even know how he has this shit.
What? I mean, to be fair, he doesn't know why any of this is. This is all, you know. Oh, damn. This brings me back, I'm not gonna lie, to the Cresta. You guys want to see a wiring job, I'll put that up in the, I guess I could do this. I'll put that up in the corner here and check out the Cresta. Edgar deleted a lot of stuff and relocated a ton of stuff to the trunk. I moved the fuse box to the glove box.
I mean, this is just silly bent. It's an unorganized mess of crap that, you know, we didn't do. It's got an aftermarket radio, so it's got like a, you know,
so it has been chopped. Okay.
I think he wants to put a new radio in it because it came with the Japanese radio, so.
So everything's in Japanese. I like the ones that talk to you though, that are like.
Oh, that's the little toll card.
What is it?
A Japanese toll card.
Yeah.
Yeah, like what the fuck?
What the fuck is
Yeah, look
that?
at that Japanese remote for the radio.
Oh yeah, let's see that. Let me see.
What's that? It's just a little mount for it.
That's pretty cool, I'm not gonna lie. I mean, just because, you know, I gotta come out in the light. Let me see. I mean, I feel like that's pretty intuitive. You could at least get volume. I'm probably holding it upside down or something. Where would you like this?
Oh, what the fuck?
Oh boy.
Car speed signal. That's busted off of one of these.
Broken?
There's that broken shit everywhere.
That sucks. Is it like mendable? Like, can we fix it or maybe 3D print it even? Like, if you have the piece, you could maybe get it 3D printed. So I would just save all the pieces. Do you want a bag? You happy now?
Mm-hmm. Got my rabbit food.
How does it fit?
Fucking melt. This shit's gonna fucking melt.
What's gonna melt? Yeah. So I'm trying to see. What tube is that from?
It's the AC drain.
AC drain? Can you route that anywhere else?
Nope.
You have to route it. So just a bit of an update where we are with Kenrick's GTST. Edgar is doing a good job at getting this ready to hopefully start up. He's been working on the interior all day. Oh wow, baby, you did a good job. So you can see, I don't know, can you see it? There we go. So yeah, as you can see, he's doing little by little, tackling this.
Yeah, front shit. I gotta shave this piece so that it fits on. It's because this wire is too big. Can't get it on the fucking stud. From the nuts to tip flat.
What are these parts he's gonna sell?
That's
Or attempt to
just
sell?
old shit. Yeah.
You're rolling. You want me to put the e-brake on?
Yeah, get me.
Yeah. Oh, not bad. Getting there. Did you get the ECU and stuff all wired up?
No.
No, okay. All right, well, we'll check back.
I'm literally just getting the car back together from every crap that was taken apart for no reason.
Okay. So you haven't even begun to do the fun stuff. I know, we're itching to get this running. Okay, well, we'll be back. Thanks for watching.